Landing pages aren't just any other web page. They're created with a specific goal in mind and contain everything needed to accomplish it. An example of a successful landing page is Puravida Bracelets, the Harper charm bar page. The entire page targets customers interested in creating personalized charm bracelets. By showcasing a strong value proposition, compelling visual appeal, and a user-friendly experience, the Harper charm bar landing page works great in capturing the attention of visitors. Welcome to ZEST's Build for Success series by FoxEcom. In today's video, let's build a landing page that converts like Puravida bracelets using ZEST Shopify theme.
Your store needs to stand out and tell your brand's story right. And it's never easier to level up your pages with Foxify. Design fast with ready-made templates of any page type. Save time with your saved designs. Easy and intuitive to keep the brand consistent. With absolutely no coding knowledge needed. Responsive across all screens. Create pages that convert with advanced tools and are optimized for SEO. Built with the latest technology and supported by the team that helps you transform your business. Foxify. Build right, win high.
Now, let's get back to building a landing page using ZEST theme. The page we replicate today uses custom font branding across the page. As such, we will add the custom font files to our ZEST theme. First, we will create a customization file on our ZEST theme. This allows you to manage your custom code more easily and update the theme when a new version is available. We know the theme offers tons of customization options, but sometimes you might crave even more control over how your website looks, like the page we are building today. And that's where CSS comes in. For more details on creating a custom CSS file and also adding custom fonts to ZEST, check out the links in the description below. We will create a new page template in my theme editor for my new landing page. In the template selector, select Pages and click Create Template. Give the template a unique name and select the existing template you want to base your new template on. Since we don't use the page content in Shopify pages, we will hide the page section and use other theme sections to style my page. For the first image banner, we will use the section image with text overlay. Set the section container as full width and upload the image. Images for desktop and mobile view can be set separately as different image ratios may be required on different devices. Adjust the image overlay opacity to 0%. Set the banner height and adjust the desktop content position for our heading block as well as the text color. We are not using a button here, so I will remove the block for it. Add a subheading block and drag to reorder. The font size of this banner is much bigger than other parts of the page, so we will add some minor custom CSS to set the font size for elements of this hero banner. I will use the custom theme file we just created earlier. The letter spacing value can be adjusted in the theme settings, typography. For other sections' headings, you can see they are styling the text with some colors to highlight. For this, we will also add CSS for two custom text styles. They are similar, just different in color. Let's add a multi-column section with 3 columns per row. Then, add the section heading and style it using the custom class we have added. Here we need to change the color scheme used in this section as the background color is different from our default scheme. To set up more predefined sets of colors, go to Theme Settings, Colors. Insert the section's description. By default, the description of this section will be placed under the heading, so we will change the order of the two by adding a custom CSS to this section particularly. In each column, you can add an image with content under it. Adjust the image width and the section settings to your liking. And also the section padding. Now, let's continue with the next section. We will use a feature collection to showcase the collection's product. We will set up the same section with different selected collections for the below two parts of the page as well. Enable the carousel on the desktop and show navigation so visitors can navigate through the list. Here, we also add some custom code to customize the default navigation behavior. We will remove the button border radius value to make them square, and adjust the position. We also hide the prices from the product card, and make the product title appear underlined when hovering. After that, insert the section content. We style the heading using the custom class we added as well, similar to the previous section. Up next, we've got a section that's super easy to build. This part consists of two columns, one for the content, and one for an image. We'll be using the theme's built-in image with text section. Set the image position and upload the image. We will use color scheme 3, which we have set in theme settings for this section. Adjust some padding. For the section blocks, we add a heading, subheading, description, and a button to it. Just a heads up, the font sizes for this section might be slightly different to other parts of the page, so we'll quickly add some custom CSS within the theme editor. The two next featured collection sections are similar to what we have done with the same section earlier. You can use the timestamps to navigate back to see more details on customizing it. Now, let's create another eye-catching section that blends stunning visuals with a powerful copy to tell your brand story. This structure is actually similar to the second section of the page, just without the section header. So we use a multi-column section in this. Just like before, we'll populate it with captivating images and descriptive content for each column. For this section, let's set the column gap to small and keep the content left aligned. And for our final flourish, we'll use the theme's Gallery Images section. This section is a fantastic way to showcase your product images in a visually compelling way, grabbing your visitors' attention and sparking their buying interest. The Gallery Images section also offers some customization options, so you can play around with things like image size and layout to perfectly match your brand aesthetic. Alright, with that last section in place, let's take a quick moment to review everything. Feel free to go through the page again and fine-tune any elements as needed to make it perfect. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more ZEST theme tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching.